ADR Alternative Dispute Resolution. ADR stands for Alternative Dispute Resolution. It refers to a range of methods or processes used to resolve legal disputes outside of traditional court litigation. ADR methods are considered alternative because they provide parties with an alternative way to settle their disputes, rather than going through the formal court system. Common forms of ADR include mediation, arbitration, negotiation, and conciliation. Here's a brief overview of each. 1. Mediation. In mediation, a neutral third party called a mediator facilitates discussions between the parties involved in the dispute. The mediator helps them explore potential solutions and reach a mutually acceptable agreement. Mediation is a voluntary process, and the mediator does not impose a decision on the parties. Arbitration. Arbitration involves a neutral third party, known as an arbitrator, who reviews the evidence and arguments presented by both parties and makes a binding decision. The process is similar to a court trial, but it is generally less formal and more streamlined. Arbitration can be either binding or non-binding, depending on the agreement of the parties. 3. Negotiation. Negotiation is a direct discussion between the parties involved in the dispute, with the goal of reaching a settlement or agreement. It can occur informally or with the assistance of attorneys representing the parties. Negotiation allows for flexibility and direct communication between the parties. 4. Conciliation. Conciliation is a process similar to mediation, where a neutral third party called a conciliator helps the parties in dispute to reach a resolution. The conciliator's role is to facilitate communication and assist in finding a mutually agreeable solution. ADR methods are often preferred over litigation because they can be less time-consuming, less formal, and less costly. They provide parties with more control over the process and allow for creative solutions that may not be available in a courtroom. However, not all disputes are suitable for ADR, and in some cases, litigation may be necessary to resolve complex legal issues or when one party is unwilling to participate in ADR.